Introducing the Performance Series, built by Simply Technologies. Every machine starts with a rigid steel frame, a 3-horsepower liquid-cooled spindle, precision ball screws, and linear guides. This gives you the stability and repeatability needed for both detailed projects and production work. At the center of the system is the CNC controller, with a 15.6-inch touchscreen and built-in wireless file transfer. Jobs move directly from your computer to the machine, keeping your workflow fast and simple. Optional features like automatic tool changing allow the Performance Series to scale as your shop grows, without changing how you work. And behind every machine is real, long-term technical support, not just for the hardware, but for the software and the workflow that makes it all work together. The Performance Series is not just a CNC. It is a platform you can build on,